Good morning students. Here I am taking last part of chapter 4. So here we are writing a maths expression into Java expression. So suppose there is the expression x plus y multiply z divided by x multiply y minus q. So the total of x plus y into z divided by whole of this. So we will write the expression inside the bracket x plus y multiply z divided by y into p minus q. So we will use a slash sign for the division. And how you will write the square root? So this is the square root of x plus y in maths, and in case of Java we will write math.sqrt and inside the bracket x plus y. Now next, here we want to write x to raised to the power of 5. So in Java this will be math.pow x comma 5. Or suppose if the power is x cube, then we can write x into x into x, or math.pow x comma 3. So till power of 3 we will use directly expression, or we can use a math function or math.pow function. But for more than power of 3, definitely we will use the power function. This is the sign of ABS. So here we are finding the absolute value of x plus y. So here we are writing math.abs of x plus y. And next one is the cube root of x plus y. So the expression is math.cbrt x plus y. And next function is the sine of x. So in Java we will write math.sin x, and all the functions of math class the n should be capital and the function is in small letter. Next function is the sine inverse. So this will be mat.a sine of x. If there will be an inverse, so a will be added before the sine. Next function is the log x. So we will write mat.log x. And in case of the e to the power of x, we will use the exp function except the e. If there is another variable, then we will use the power function. So in case of power of e, there is a reserve function mat.exp. Now here some more mathematical functions which is used mostly for the output purposes. So here we are finding the output ABS. So ABS is used to find the absolute value of a number. So mat.abs minus 19.6, so the answer will be 19.6. Only the positive value will be come. And mat.abs of minus 19, then answer will be 19, and mat.abs of 19, so the answer will be 19. So here we will get only the positive value, and if the value is in decimal, then answer will also in decimal. Next is the square root, so which is used to find the square root of a number, and the answer will come in double. So mat.sqrt of 49, then answer of this is a 7.0, and the mat.sqrt of 10, the answer is the 3.3. So we require at least one digit after the decimal. But if we are finding the square root of any negative value, then system will display an error. Next function is a pow, that is used to find the power of a number to another. So here we are finding 2 to the power of 3. This function will also return the answer in double. So the answer is 8.0. In case of mat.pow 4,2, the answer is a 16.0. Next function of the math class is the seal. So this will give only the upward value of the next integer value, and the answer of this will be come in double, the 15.3. If the any decimal value is here more than 0, so the answer will be the next higher value. So 15.3 will be 16.0. Seal is stand for the ceiling, so ceiling is a upper value. Mat.seal of 15.6, the answer is a 16.0. Whether the point is a below of 5 and the greater of 0.5, 9.01, then answer will be 10.0. Whereas in case of minus 19 minus 9.01, the answer will be minus 9.0. because here we are standing between the minus 9 and minus 10, so the highest value between 9 minus 9 and then minus 10, that is minus 9.0. Opposite of that, there is the function of floor, so this is the downward value of a decimal value, and the answer will also come in a double, so 15.3, then answer will be 15.0, 15.6, then answer will be 15.0, 9.01, then the answer will be 9.0, and minus 9.01, then answer will be minus 10.0, because minus 10 is the lowest value of between minus 9 and minus 10. Next function is the rent function, so this will round off of an integer, and we will get the answer in double, so this will round off the next higher number if the decimal point is a 5 or greater than 5. Otherwise this will give the down value 6.5, so the answer is 7.0, 6.3, so the answer is 6.0. Minus 9 5.5, so the answer is minus 6.0, and minus 5.49, then the answer is minus 5.0. So if the value is equal, decimal value is equal or greater than 5, so the answer will be the next higher value. Then next one is a mat dot round 1.5, so this will similar work to a rent function. Well, this will return the answer in integer, so 1.5, the answer will be 2. Mat dot round minus 1.5, then answer is the minus 1, because minus 1 will be the next higher value, and 1.6, the answer is the 2, and 1.4, the answer is 1. Math function is give the maximum value between 2. This value may be a decimal or an integer, so 6 comma 9, then highest value is a 9, and minus 6 point minus 9, then answer is minus 6, and minus 6 comma 9, then answer is 9. Opposite of that one is the minimum, so this will returns the minimum value between 2, 6 comma 9, then answer is a 6, minus 6 comma minus 9, then answer is minus 9, whereas between the minus 6 and 9, then answer is minus 6. Mat.log, so this will return the base of 10 of log value, so mat.log of 10, then answer is a 2.0, and mat.log of 1000, then answer is a 3.0. so how many is 0 is there, then answer will be of that, and this is a cube root, mat.cube root of 27, so the answer is 3.0. This function is also written the answer in double, and mat.cbrt of 64, so the answer of this is a 4.0.